Hi, I'm Roma Lambson of RJDesigns. I've teamed up with the Gypsy Quilter to bring you the Jelly Roll Tube Maker, which will shave a substantial amount of time off the sometimes tedious and painful Jelly Roll tube making process. Feed the fabric and batting strip into the Jelly Roll tube maker with the fabric next to the metal casing. Insert an awl into the purple slot on top to help feed the strip through. Make sure that the fabric and batting strip is aligned and centered as it continues to feed through. The Jelly Roll tube maker magically folds both edges of the fabric and batting strip to the center. Now all you have to do is fold the strip in half and sew to complete the tube making process. Keep the Jelly Roll tube maker close to your sewing machine and slide along in small increments as you sew. The strong, sturdy, and durable Jelly Roll tube maker will not easily melt or break, and may also be used with an iron for other similar technique projects, which may require fusible batting. From my sewing studio and the Gypsy Quilter, happy sewing!